a hopefully quick video on pasta. So pasta alla Gricia, carbonara and cacio e pepe, I probably pronounced those all wrong, are all a variation of the same thing. Pasta cooked in a pan, and then you add some pasta water to it and some fat, and then you stir in cheese and it forms a sauce. It's the starch from the pasta, the fat and the cheese all form like a sauce that coats the pasta. So cheese is expensive, and hard cheese even more so. So I was kind of thinking, can we do it with the cheap red cheddar or red Leicester or something like that? Can we actually do that and see if that kind of turns out? I did see Jamie Oliver do something similar, but I think he made more of a sauce, like a cheese sauce, and then added the pasta to it, whereas this is going to be more authentically Italian. I did do a pasta this method using manchego, and it was very nice. So I used a chorizo and then some manchego, and it worked out very well. But as you can see, the fat and the starch have already formed a little bit of sauce. That's kind of quite interesting. I think no, there's one that there's butter. Yeah, there's a butter version as well. I can't remember. Let's have a look. So we've got some liquid in there. We need a bit more though. So that's just hot water, and then I've finely grated some leftover cheese from a function. So that much. I'm going to turn the heat off. So does the cheese melt into the sauce and the pasta and form a sauce? That's kind of what we're question that we're answering. Kind of. A little bit of heat in the pan. It's kind of working. It's kind of working. There's some lumps of cheese, but that might just be down to, I don't know. That's kind of working, isn't it? No, it's kind of working. That's interesting, isn't it? So a little bit more cheese. And a little bit more. And then hopefully I'll put some pepper in. And we don't need to make a cheese sauce for cheesy pasta. We can just stir in cheap cheese. So this is going to be part of the limited budget, limited ingredients. But I'll then have to add some cheese to it. So it can be done with cheap cheese. It won't work as well as, I'll put some more in that. It won't work as well as a hard Italian cheese or any kind of hard cheese. I'm sure there'll be English cheeses that are hard that we could use, and Spanish cheeses, and German cheeses, and French cheeses to have the same effect, but we can use a cheap supermarket, as cheap as you like. So the price difference in this cheese and a hard Italian cheese will be half the price. So if Italian cheese is about £12 a kilo, this will be about £5 a kilo. So like half the price. So it kind of works. I'll just put more water in. So it kind of works. It doesn't work just quite as well, but all things considered, that works. That works. That's good news, isn't it? So relatively easy video. Now we've got a bowl, yes, and we can take a picture. So around. I've actually half cleaned the cooker today. So that out of the way. Washing up everywhere as always. And then twirly. Yeah, that kind of works, doesn't it? Not authentic, but, and I suppose if it was a better quality cheddar or red Leicester or whatever it is, it would work better, but it's only the cheap stuff from the supermarket. There you go. That works. That's better with the amount of cheese on. So, need to taste it as well, don't we? How does it taste? better in the bottom of the pan there. That works. And it's delicious in a cheap cheese kind of way. So quite simplistic in its flavour. So it's not particularly, there's no kind of real depth of flavour there. That's because it's a cheap cheese. But still, it works. A success.